so I'm not sure how good this audio is. This is a new GoPro I'm trying out. So we're gonna replace this door closure right here. So you see right there, it should close the door on its own. You see, even right there, as soon as that hook touches like that, it should pull the door in, but it's not. So this is a Kason 1094, which is a really good product right here. We're gonna take this out, the hook and the thing, and I'll show you when we get it off. Oh shit! You gotta pop the bottom off. This is how this comes out. But you see this right here where my finger is? That top line has to go even with the top of the door. Like that. You see how they have this one? It's even with the top of the door. So that's how this goes. These little tabs are gonna stick up above the door, and I'll show you in a minute why. Alright. Okay, so now you can see these little hooks. See these two tabs right here? Where my fingers are, they're gonna hook over that ledge, right? And then you got that hole. You have a hole on each side, and then here you have these dimples that are pressed in right there. I'll show you. Let's see if I can do this. So this is gonna hook like this over it, and then you just snap it on like that, and it's on there. All right, and now you can see it's locked on behind those tabs. So that's why you have to lift. You have to lift the bottom out, and then the top comes off. So now I left the hook loose so I can adjust it, right? Now I'll show you. So now you gotta fold this, you gotta fold that wheel down, and just like that. Let's see. So you want it to where your wheel just, like, you see that? That's too high. I mean, it'll work, but you want it to where, like that. You see it just misses right there. So that's where we're gonna tighten this baby up, right there. Let's see. Now you close the door, and bam. Now you got a new door closes. So that's pretty much it. So before, you see that? So it goes down on its own. And now you just close the door. See that? So that closes it. You don't even have to, now you just give it a little push. As soon as it catches, it pulls the door closed. So a lot of people, I see them installed wrong, where, let me show you something. See, when you pull it out, the ball goes down. If you install this too low, this ball doesn't go all the way down. It stays up a little bit.